Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some explaining to do. First of all, I want to thank everyone for their continuous support and for always commenting and watching my videos. Honestly, it means the world to me. I honestly never thought that I would be here making videos and especially getting support from people from all over the world. And I'm very, very grateful for you, honestly, from the bottom of my heart. This is like a bittersweet moment. It's time to say goodbye to our old house. We have moved, and which is why I've been keeping this secret for over a month, and which is why I haven't been really consistent on Instagram, even on YouTube, just because it was just hectic process for us. Things don't always go the way you plan them, and we did have some ups and downs. We were supposed to close Friday the 23rd, but we didn't close until Monday, and that was hectic because we wanted the weekend to move because we are officially landlords now. We had to have our house ready for our tenants on Friday, the 1st of March. During the week, having to pack up everything and also like unloading it and then going back home to try to finish cleaning and having our rental now ready for our tenants was just super crazy. We barely got any sleep. My husband wakes up really early, so we were running on little sleep. I am super excited for this new project. We did get a fixer-upper, nothing that is like demo. Bathrooms will be demoed in the kitchen as well, which I'm so excited because it's like starting a whole new project all over again with new ideas and a new design. I am merging on my design, so that's gonna be really exciting, and it's something that I've been keeping a secret for a long time. Like I already have a Pinterest board. I was like, for our next house. I didn't know when that was gonna be, honestly. I didn't know it was gonna happen this soon. We always planned, or we always thought like, when we get a new house, when we get another house, because the house that we lived in, we're gonna call it the Grant property. It was a cute little home and a great starter for a small family. But we were growing, and not growing in family size. I'm not pregnant. I have so many planned things, and of course I'm gonna share everything with you guys. I know I wasn't really good at it with my last home. It's just, YouTube is really hard. It doesn't seem like it, but it really is. It's not just sitting in front of the camera. It's thinking about what the viewer wants to see and what you want to show the viewer and which angles, how to tell a story. It's just beyond just getting in front of a camera, trust me. But I am going to do it the right way this time, and I'm going to share with you guys everything that we've done and we're going to do to this home. We haven't settled completely yet. I still have boxes behind the camera. All we've done is paint the house, most of it. We painted it before we moved stuff, just because we didn't want to struggle when it came to like moving things out of the way and furniture. So we painted as soon as we came in, and I'm so excited because I tried a new color, which I will share all the details with you guys before. It is this color, actually. It's an off-white as well, but it's just a little bit brighter than my previous from the Grant property. This home, it has a lot of potential, and which is what I saw. And I'm so excited because I love it. I really do. And I'm just excited for all the projects that I'm gonna have coming up for you guys. Sorry, I did start it off a little bit sad, because I am sad. That house we bought when I was pregnant. Noah was born the same month that we closed. And just seeing him grow up, you know, it's crazy. It's crazy just how time flies. Honestly, I can't believe that we were there for 7 years. My child grew up. There's lots of first moments in there, and it's emotional, but it's a good move. Make sure to stay tuned. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe and hit the notifications bell or icon so that you get notified when I upload, because we have so many projects coming, and I'm so excited to start them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.